Today we have something big, and it is so big that it doesn't even fit in my camera. I'll just give you a better view. Yeah, now this looks pretty sick. We have a huge unboxing. So, what do we have here? We have a gear cube, a square one, a Pyramorphinx, a 2x2, a Megaminx, a mirror cube, GAN lube review. We have these lubes even. We even got a gift from Cube Lelo, 2 stands also. So let's get started with this. So first we have is Mgc Megaminx. So let's get it unboxed. And this special Mgc cover you get always of this paper. What do we have here is useless. We don't care about money, you know. Next we are gonna put this box out, and we have unleashed a beast outside its box. Let's get the cube out. Let's get the cube outside the box. Let us see what do we have in the box. And we have a guide which is useless for you all, cause I'm gonna teach you in an easier way than this guide even. We have some extra springs and magnets even. This could come in handy. Let's get this shitty box aside. So the cube, oh, it's like so lubed, I can feel it. Oh, it's wet. It's like purely wet, you see. And first turns, so you get it like nice, kinda going nice. Yep. Yeah, let that go. Oh, this cube's feeling very smooth, you know. These ridges you see on this cube, these are pretty good for the grip you need on Megaminxes, especially cause the angles are quite large, so the cube feels pretty hard to turn, and sometimes you just misturn a layer like this as I did. So these ridges come pretty handy, and the cube's nice and smooth. Corner cutting, it's kind of hard cause the cube is pretty loose, you know. You see the cube's pretty loose. Yep, but it's kind of good, you see. Past that 35-degree corner. Yep, reverse even nice. And this one even. Yep. So overall good cube. You can get it at Cube Lelo at just 1299 rupees. So the next one, this Mgc, we'll put it out of the side. Next we have is Mgc 2x2. So again, this paper cutouts, as the Mgc always fantasizes all of us. Let's get that out, and you see this is the only way to get this box out. And yeah, this shaking, I think we just misplaced the cube from its position. Yeah, it should be like this. So let's get the cube outside. Yep, we have the guide, which is useless cause I'm gonna teach you how to solve it without the guide, and some extra springs and magnets even. These could come in handy. And the 2x2, it is, oh, first few turns, the magnets are not that strong even, and not that loose even. You can just feel them, you know. First few turns. Yep, kind of good. Corner cutting, it just doesn't cut it right there. Yeah, but it's exactly about 45 degrees. Yep. And yep, kind of good corner cutting. Yeah, feeling pretty smooth, not that much lubed. Colors are kind of, you can feel it as if the colors are pretty cheap, because you see the see-through of these colors, it makes it kind of feel cheap. And also, but the Megaminx colors are pretty, you know, they look decent. They are like rich, elegant colors. And for the contrast you see, it's pretty good for all the colors. The next thing is these two cubes are from Mgc, quite a good company now, and YJ is a big deal nowadays. Before it wasn't even anywhere. Good cubes. The magnet strength of 5x5 is even there. You can feel it but not too tight. Right for the faster algorithms. Fast cube. Yep. And next we have is the fan gun. I don't know what to say about this company. Packaging is quite elegant for this type of cube, and the gear cube comes out here. This gear cube, oh, first turn. This cube is kind of interesting. You see how it happens is when you turn the slice, you can either turn it like, you can't just turn it 90 degrees, you have to turn it 180 degrees, because after 90 degrees the middle layer is 45-degree turn, and you can just can't just turn any other layer instead of those. And what happens is these gears, you see, they just interlock each other and twist these edges even. So when like shuffled, it's pretty hard to just, you know, recognition. Colors are nice. The centers are really popping out like easily, so it's kind of okay cube. Next we have is okay, so it's Shengsho. Yep, Pyramorphinx. Come out, you idiot. Yeah, it came out. The box is okay, misshapen a bit. Shipping problem. First few turns, oh, it's dry, very dry. I need to lube it if you are just want to go ahead and speed cubing of this thing. But yeah, I don't know how this done. Okay, so you have just, okay, so I get it in a few turns that, okay, so it's like a 3x3. Instead of the centers, these triangles. Yep, and you can just turn it like this. Okay, so quite a nice cube. There's not a single bit of corner cutting here, no need in these cubes. Nice Pyramorphinx. You see, you can just misshape it anyhow. Okay, and you can just turn it like this. Okay, so quite a nice cube. There's not a single bit of corner cutting here, no need in these cubes. Nice Pyramorphinx. You see, you can just misshape it anyhow. Okay, so next what we have is the square one by Yuxin Little Magic. It's just such a small, I think they don't pay attention to the packaging. Oh, how to get this thing out of this box? Come out! The mirror cube from Shengsho. It's a gold color. I like gold color instead of the, you see, the packing of these boxes I don't like. Yeah, it's okay, nice cube. I just keep it in my collection, not for speed soldering made. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you like this unboxing. Why was I putting that shit into the box? Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe and share this video to your friends even. And if you are looking for something else, please check out on my channel even. You might find it there. Thank you.